So we'll be looking at um, detecting compromised passwords in Alma Linux, and we are going to make use of the pwnd passwords API to check for password breaches. So note that the pwnd passwords API lets you check if a password has appeared in known breaches. It also uses a clever method called the k-anomaly, where you only send the first 5 characters of the SHA-1 hash of your passwords, not the full password. So we are going to log in. First, going to make use of full screen for proper visibility. I'm going to log in, and we're going to our browser. Oh, sorry. I'm going to make use of our browser in Alma Linux, which is Firefox. I'm going to open a new tab, and we are going to type the curl for the PWN passwords API, which is https api.pwned passwords.com/range/21 capital BD1, where the BD1 is the first 5 characters of the SHA-1 hash. So when we type this, we see that the API responds with a list of suffixes and counts. This is definitely how they look like, or what they look like. Scroll through. Okay. Now the next thing that we need to do, or that we are going to do, is that we are going to make use of a script. We're going to make use of a script, a bash script. We're going to make use of a bash script to make sure that we're going to make use of the bash script to make sure that each password is not each of our passwords that we input, to check, to use the API to check if each of our passwords that we are going to input is not or has not been detected in a data breach before. So we are going to move directly to our terminal. As you can see, we're in the home directory, but to be sure, the command to access the home directory is cd-cr. So we are in the home directory. Now we are going to create our script, sudo nano, or let's better say nano pwnd passwords.sh. So this is our script. So the script checks if a password has been compromised using the pwnd passwords API. So the script functions in the way that it takes the password from the first argument, hash the password with the SHA-1 and convert it to uppercase, then later takes the 5 characters of the hash as prefix and the remaining characters of the hash as suffix. Then it queries the API with the prefix. Then now search for the suffix in the response. And now it's going to give us the results, telling us whether a given password entered by a user has been seen and in a data breach or not. So we have the script which is going to be provided in the description. So the next thing that we need to do is to add the executable permission to the script. This is done by using this change mode 777 pwned passwords.sh. Oh, I'm supposed to access it as sudo, sorry. Sudo change mode 777 pwned passwords.sh, asking our passwords for authentication. So now, the thing that we need to do to check our first password, we are going to run the script specifying a given password, let's say turkey lips. So to run the script is /pwnd passwords.sh. Then we're inputting the password turkey lips. We execute. We see that the password has been seen in data breach 4 times. So we're going to repeat, we're going to try several passwords, running our script with several passwords. So let's take another password, let's say um, my secure pass 123. So let's say space. I'm going to run the script with the password my secure pass 123. It's going to tell us the number of times that's been found in data breaches. That's 63 times. Wow. So we're going to try another password. This time around, we're going to try with the most famous hello word, hello word, exclamation sign. It has been seen in 7,920 data breaches. Let's try again with another password. Let's say this password, event not found. That means it has never been found in a data breach. So you can exit, and with this, we have come to the end of this exercise. So it should be noted that the hash function compares the return suffixes to see if the passwords we input hashes have been seen in data breaches. So the bash script is going to be provided in the description, the video's description. This brings us to the end of this exercise. Thank you very much and see you soon.